Easy homemade hamburger buns in under an hour. Yep, let's do it. And this is not a sourdough recipe. We're using active dry yeast, which is why I'm able to make them in under an hour. Let's take a quick moment to appreciate this farm fresh egg from my best friend, and then giving it a little whisk before we start adding the flour, which I feel like a lot of people stress out about bread making because of the flour. You do kind of have to eyeball it as it all comes together to make sure the dough is doughy. And check it out, those are my whisk tongs. I don't talk about them enough. It's one of those things I always use and I never talk about. Putting it into the stand mixer on the knead setting, and then I did have to add a little bit more flour. Check it out, it's nice and stretchy. I'm ready to go. Oiling my stone bar pan, adding on the little balls, and then separating my egg to make the egg wash. And my son wanted to help, so I let him. He helped with the egg yolk, and then also helped to brush the tops as well as add some of the sesame seeds. You could definitely tell the ones that he did into the oven, and I was so surprised that they actually looked like hamburger buns, and they even tasted good. Drop a hamburger in the comments for the rest.